Morning students, my name is Mohit and I'm a mathematics teacher in Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. Today's topic is simplification of fraction using BODMAS rule. So, you all know what is BODMAS rule, but still let us revise it again. For example, like bracket, B means bracket. In the BODMAS, the B first letter means bracket, the second letter O means of, third D means division, then M means multiplication, A means addition and S means subtraction. So we need to follow this sequence while solving the fraction. Okay, so to understand it, we let us take an example. Like I have taken over here example number 1. So we have an example like 4 by 5 of bracket, in the bracket 4 by 9 and plus 2 by 3, then divided by 2 whole 2 by 3. So what we need to do first? We need to solve the bracket first, because according to the BODMAS, the B comes first. So we have to solve this bracket first. So what we will do, we will write the remaining equation as it is, but we need to solve this bracket first. So what we will do, we have to make these fractions as the same denominator. So what we have done, I have multiplied by 3 in both denominator and numerator. So we can write it 6 by 9 divided by 3. We have solved this equation, we have solved this mixed fraction also, like 3 2s are 6 and plus 2 8. So 8 by 3. Now this of means multiplication, so we can write it multiply 10 by 9, and this can be written as 10 by 9 because the denominators are same, so we can add the numerators directly as you already know in the previous lectures. So divided by 8 by 3. Now what we can do to convert this division into multiplication, we need to reciprocal this fraction, so we can write it multiply 3 by 8. Now all the terms are in multiply, so what we can do, we can solve it like 4 into 5 into 2. We have to write this 10 into we have to write this 10 like 5 by 5 multiply by 2, then multiply by 3, then 5. 9 can be written as 3 multiply by 3. 9 can be written as 3 multiply by 3, and 8 can be written as 4 multiply by 2. We have to solve like this. So what we will do now, we will cut the common numbers like 4 and 4, 3 and 3, 2 and 2, and 5 and 5. So what remains in the numerator, that is 1, because there is nothing else, but in the denominator there is 3. So 1 by 3 will be the answer. So now let us take an example number 2. So this is example number 2. In this example we have 3 by 4 of 2 by 5 plus 5 by 3 divided by 3 whole 1 by 3. Because there is no bracket, so we will solve of first. So what comes after the bracket, that is off. So we need to solve off. So what we can do, I have solved separately over here like 3 by 4 of 2 by 5. So what we can do, 2 3s are 6 and 4 5s are 20. So I have solved it separately. Now 3 by 4 of 2 by 5 can be written as 6 by 20 plus 5 by 3 and divided by 3 whole 1 by 3. Now we can write it this mixed fraction like 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. So 10 by 3. Now this divides will change into multiplication when we will reciprocal the fraction 10 by 3. So we can write it multiply 3 by 10. Now according to the BODMAS, there is no division over here in this question, but there is multiplication. So then after addition, so first we need to solve the multiplications. So what we can do, the numbers which are common can be cut like 5 1s are 5 and 5 2s are 10. Then 3 1s are 3. So 1 by 2 will remain over here, 1 by 2. Now what we can do, to make it same denominator like 20, we can multiply 2 by in denominator by 10, and we have to multiply this 10 in numerator also then. So we can write it 10 by 20. We can write it 10 by 20. Now the denominators are same, so we can add directly like 6 plus 10 by 20. Now what we can do, we can write it 16 by 20, or you can divide by 4 because 4 is the HCF. So 4 4s are 16 and 4 5s are 20. So the answer will be 4 by 5. So I hope you like the video, students, and understand it. So all the best. These are some questions which you need to solve at home.